Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. It's time for English lesson with Teacher Aimi. Today we are going to learn four sounds which are A, I, ow, E. Let's look at the first sound. Pop. A. So which one has the sound A? This one. A. A. Let's look at the words with the sound A. A. Day. You can repeat after me. R. A. Ray. S. A. Say. So these are the words with the sound A. Day. Ray. Say. Now let's look at the next sound. Do you want to know the next sound? It has the same sound as my favorite letter. Let's sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, stop. So which one is my favorite letter? Ta-da! Yes, it's the letter I. So which one has the same sound as the letter I? Is it A? Is it ow? Is it I or E? Yes, it's this one. I. So let's look at the words with the sound I. I. Tie. L. I. Lie. F. L. I. S. Flies. So the words with the sound I are pie, lie, flies. Now let's look at the next sound. Ow. So which one has the same sound as the sound ow? Is it A? Is it ow? Is it I or E? Yes, it's this one. Ow. So let's look at the words with the sound ow. L, ow, cloud. Again. L, ow, cloud. Ow, ch, pouch. Sh, ow, shout. So these are the words with the sound ow. Cloud, couch, shout. So before we learn the next sound, I'm going to sing a sound. If you know the sound, you can sing with me. Okay, are you ready? Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like fish? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like fish ice cream? No, I don't. Eee. So which one has the same sound as the sound E? Yes, it's this one, E. So let's look at the first word, E. Eat. Again, E. Eat. Next, B. E. Beak. So the words with the sound E is beak. And another one is, sorry, E. Eat. Okay, so eat and beak. Alright, so you've learned all the four sounds, which are A, I, ow, E. So I hope you can remember the sounds for each. Okay, so let's move on to the module. Okay, so there are two worksheets that you have to complete today. Okay, so the first one is this one, lesson 3, listening. So you have to listen and color the words said by your teacher. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words there. Okay, so let's say when I say flies, okay, so you have to color the word flies. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so the first word is flies just now. Okay, and the second word is beak. Please color the word beak. The third word is say. Please color the word say. The fourth word is couch. Please color the word couch. Okay, the next word is cloud. Please color the word cloud. Okay, that's it. Now let's move on to worksheet 2. Okay. Lesson 3, reading. Read the words and stick the correct pictures. So for this one, can you see the words there? Day, couch, and there are more words, right? Okay, and you can see pictures down there. Okay, I put one picture there. I put one picture there, which is the picture of couch. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to cut the pictures down there and put it and stick it to the correct picture, to the correct word. Sorry, stick the picture to the correct word. For example, okay, you can see the picture of couch there. So which one should you put the picture of the couch? So it's this one, right? So you stick it there. Okay, so I hope you can complete these two worksheets. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for joining today's class. Bye.